In this video, I'll show you how to change wallpaper in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is just touch and hold on the home screen and then tap on wallpaper and style option. Then just go to change wallpapers and that's it. Here you can find some categories like featured, gallery, graphical, colors, and you can set any kind of wallpapers from here. Suppose if you want to set this wallpaper, just select it and you have to just select lock screen or home screen. You can choose only one or both option and then go back. If you want to download more wallpaper, just scroll all the way down, then just tap on Galaxy themes. Make sure that you have internet connection and then scroll all the way down, then go to get more wallpapers. From here you can download unlimited wallpapers. Suppose if you want to download this wallpaper, just tap here, then tap on download and then go back, and here it is. To set this wallpaper, just select it and then select home screen and then tap on next, then just tap on done and it's complete. You can see wallpaper has been changed successfully, and that is how you can change wallpaper in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.